PROs are basically a babysitter for your music when it's out in the world and being performed publicly, or like a royalty mailman, if you will, that goes out, finds the performances, and then gets you the money. So for those performances. And we represent the public performance right. Basically, what that means is anywhere that music is performed publicly, either on radio, that could be streaming, that could be Pandora, any of these like radio stations. It could be just regular terrestrial radio that you hear, on radio stations, and live performance. So when someone is performing in public live, and that could be at a bar or a festival or a music venue. It varies in size from Joe's Cafe to Madison Square Garden. So those are all considered public performances, and those would pay a public performance royalty. When your music is synced into TV or films that play on TV, and even like video games as well, that is also considered a public performance, and those pay a royalty as well, a public performance royalty. All of these places where you're walking around and you hear music being played, that is a performance right royalty that we will get data for and pay music to our songwriters that we represent their catalogs. That's just a couple of the ways that we would do that. We can get into some other stuff about that later in terms of the international side and how that happens. So that's what a PRO is, and that's what a performance right is. And this is for U.S. only, United States, domestic, and territories in the U.S.
You'd have to work with like Song Trust or something to get international?
There's many, many things that work for you administratively in terms of the global scale. But as a songwriter, before you ever enter into any kind of publishing deal, you are a self-administered publisher. And so you are your own publisher when you become a songwriter and you register with a PRO and you register your music. So I think one of the myths is that you need to sign with a publisher, and you don't necessarily. You are your own publisher, you're self-administered. And basically, you're going to be overseeing your catalog like a publisher would, but you get to keep your publishing shares on a song. And what that means is when you're talking about, like the splits of a song, the song itself has half of it is for the songwriter and half of it is for song publisher. And if you are your own song publisher, then you actually represent your publishing as well. That's why when you register with a PRO, you are opening up a publishing entity yourself. So you get to keep that publishing share. So there's 50% songwriter, 50% publisher, which equals 100% of the songwriter composition, because there's a few different royalties and rights that are attached to the song. And this is just the songwriting side, the composition itself, not the recording. So you just think of it as a pie, and you've got the pie, and you split it in half. Half of it is songwriter, half is song publisher royalties. And within those halves of the pie, sometimes things will get, split up there as well. Like if you did a co-write with somebody else.